So Hare Krishna, today 19th of September 2020, by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and Vaishnavas around, we'll continue our study of third canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. Today text 37 of chapter 9, which is entitled Brahma's Prayer for Creative Energy. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskrityam Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraet Nashtaprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavad Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhakti Vavati Naistuki Tubhyam Mada Chikitsayam Atma Me Darsito Vahihi Nalena Salili Moolam Puskarasya Vichinvataha Tubhyam unto you, mat, me, bichikchit sayam, on your trying to know, atma, self, me, or myself, darshitaha, exhibited, abhihi, from within, nalena, through the stem, salili, in the water, moolam, root, puskarasya, of the lotus, the primeval source. Bichin Vataha, contemplating. Translates purport by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. When you were contemplating whether there was a source to the stem of the lotus of your birth, and you even entered into the stem, you could not trace out anything, but at the time, I manifested my form from within. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshumanitam Venam Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah Sri Chaitanya Manovishtam Vastavidam Vena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadadi Supadandikam Bandiham Sri Guru Shida Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidantam Sajivam Sadhuetam Savadutam Parajana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhanvitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deen Bandhu Jagatpate Gopes Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhan Shude Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataru Vaishya Kripa Sindhu Vayevacha Patita Nam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namo Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Vishtai Bhutali Srimati Jayapataka Swami Niti Namane Namacharya Padaya Nitaya Kripa Pardayane Gaura Katha Damadaya Nagara Grama Tarane Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Vishtai Bhutali Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Niti Namane Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Parcharane Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashad Desatarane Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna. Before I begin the talk today, yesterday, little correction. Our Kishore Basu Prabhuji had a very good idea that Narsimha will be sing in couple. But I did not know what to say at that time, but finally came to the conclusion. Let us follow our ISKCON standard. This nothing says together. Only one jiva, one person, one atma, recite, and other will follow. it came in my mind, but then I just forgot because it was a chance for me and my wife. But I think that's wrong. Let us follow Srila Prabhupada as much as possible. Hare Krishna. So, Tobhyam Mad Chikitsayam Atma Me Darsito Vahi Na Lena Salile Moolam Puskarasya Vichinvatah. Beautiful instruction by Lord Hari unto his disciple, unto his a devotee, Lord Brahma. He is telling him, he is reminding him. What is reminding? That when you are contemplating of your birth, the source of stem, and you know what? You entered into it because that you are trying to know of your own. And you entered into the stem. But you know what? Your endeavor, your this work, you could not trace out anything. Isn't it? Nothing. Without the help of Krishna, nothing happens. So he's telling him out, you tried your best, right? You couldn't find out. But seeing your endeavor, being compassionate, at the time he said, I manifested my form from within. Tene Brahma Hridaya Adi Kabir. Rajesh Vasu Prabhuji, okay, he's done that. Good boy. So, can you understand the gist of today? Krishna is saying, you do what you want to do. But without my grace, yada anugrahata santi, na santi yadupekshaya. So it means to say, every now and then, we have to remember Krishna. Without his mercy, nothing happens. Today, I was talking to one person and he was saying, yeah, everybody faces the miseries and and if there is no miseries, then there is no concept of God and things like that. And I told him, Prabhu, to know the miseries and to face the miseries, these are two different things. And who can correlate better than Krishna Chandra Prabhu? Knowing the miseries and facing the miseries, they are two different things apart. So what we should do? Pray to Krishna. Our endeavor will be taken over, will be sanctioned, provided we have the pure heart. So Krishna is saying practically, but at that time I manifested my form from within. Again, it is me. Sarvasya Shaham. Hridisannavishtu Mata Smritar Jnanam Abhavanam Cha. From him comes everything. And we, at a tiny jiva, we are very proud of anything little material we have accomplished. Maybe wealth, maybe bodily feature, maybe little money, maybe little knowledge, or whatever it is. And we feel complacent. But without the sanction of Krishna, nothing happens. That's why he said, Tasmat, Sarvesu Kaleshu Ma Manusmriddhacha. When Lord Lakshmana, he wanted to fight with the Meghanatha. So he told to his brother, Lord Rama, all right, I'm going to fight, but what should I do there? Could you please give me some guidance? So Lord Rama says, very nice thing. जाय दलों के बीच में बस करना इतना काम जाए दलों के बीच में, बस करना इतना काम। धनुष बाण हाथ में लिए, जपे हरि का नाम। धनुष बाण हाथ में लिए, जपे या करे हरि का नाम। So even when you are doing any act, any udyama, at the time also, one has to remember Krishna. Then even the victory and defeat, he is not implicated, neither morose nor very happy. He knows I am only the nimitta matra, has been done by the Lord. So Brahma is being consoled over here, don't worry. Your endeavor of your own was not successful without me. Prabhupada says in the Anvasa commentary, the personality of Godhead can be experienced only by His causeless mercy. So now we can see the deities, we can serve the deities, we are offering the prasadam, doing abhishekam on daily basis, reading books, trying to understand Bhagavatam. It is not our endeavor. There is a causeless mercy. Krishna, and by his empowered devotees like Srila Prabhupada and our Guru Parampara. Without that, nothing may happen. Not by mental speculation or with the help of material senses. There is no way. Nothing can help. Everything remain. What remain? Mrityuhu sarvaharash cha aham. Aham, Krishna says me, I. Either directly or through his agencies. Prabhupada says, material senses cannot approach the transcendental understanding of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Now you may say that every one of us has the material senses. Everything that we have is the material senses. Then within the material senses, how can we understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead? But then, there is something which is non-material. That is our jiva, our atma, our soul. And by hearing and experiencing the vibration of Krishna within, that soul turns toward the Krishna, and then we know him. Soul knows everything, but is forgotten, that's it. Just forgotten. Soul knows everything, that's forgotten. I think once there was a rich man. He went to Kedarnath. And in Kedarnath, he lost a ring, the ring of diamond, costing 25 lakhs of rupees. He couldn't find it. Anyway, somehow or the other, he just put a report in the police station that I lost my ring. If you can find, please, let me know. And with a very heavy heart, he came back from Kedarnath. He was from Rajasthan. And after 6 months, one of the villager, he found the ring, and by the mercy of the Lord, this villager did not know how costly it is. The Krishna guided him to the same police station. He said, "Sir, I found this ring." The report was maybe 5-6 months before, and they got amazed. Oh my God, this is a costly ring. They did not tell the boy. They told, okay, no problem. Deposit here, we'll send it to the right person. And this police fellow, they sent a letter, communicated with the person, and the person came personally with his family to claim the ring and wanted to see the boy who found the ring. Now this man was very poor. So after getting the ring and meeting that boy, this particular person gave that boy 1 lakh of rupees as a tip. And the boy was amazed. My God, 1 lakh rupees. He did not know how costly the ring was. But for him that 1 lakh rupees is as good as a 1 million rupees. And by Krishna's mercy, the actual owner and who helped the owner, both they become very, very happy. He got his 25 lakh rupees, he got his 1 lakh rupees, and he was very overwhelmed. Oh my God, I become rich. So Krishnena adbhuta karmana. Think of a situation of the boy did not know, or if he knew the cost and he go to the market trying to sell it, how much he'll get it? 5,000, 10,000, people will definitely cheat him. Because generally nobody will know what the price of it. So this way, he says from within. That's the point I'm trying to drive. From within, Krishna told this boy, okay, these are the ways to do it, it's up to you, yathaisu tata guru. And he took to the good sense. He says, only Krishna, Brahmayan, Sarva Bhutani, Yantra Rudhani Mayaya. Hey Prabhu, everybody is in Bharma. You are in Bharma, I am in Bharma. And what Bharma we have got? I become a devotee. That's the biggest Bharma way. I become a devotee. Or now, I can do so many things. And this is another Bharma, another pride. Prabhupada says, he can be appreciated only by the submissive devotional service when he reveals himself before the devotee. Only by love of Godhead can one know God. Simply love. As the other day, or many days before I was saying, for devotees, Krishna gives the trouble. But you know how much? As much as they can tolerate. And by getting into the trouble, somehow or other, they never forget Krishna. They may complain. They may register that complaint, why is happening to me? But generally, they don't give up. So we are personalized also, but only as much we can tolerate. That is the magnanimity of the Lord. And not otherwise. The personality of Godhead cannot be seen with material eyes. Divyam dadhamite chakshuhu. So if today you and me and all of us, by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, can see the God, see the Lord, see Gauranitai, or can see Jagannath Baldev Subhadra, or Radha Madhav, Radha Shyam Sundar, or Radha Banki Bihari Ji, or Radha Parth Sarthi, or Radha Gopinath, this is simply a mercy of the God. If you can appreciate this much, I think we can step into the next ladder of devotional service. But he can be seen from within by spiritual eyes opened by the ointment of the love of Godhead. Om Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshuhu Unmilitam Yenam Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. I don't know how many of us, in reality, we know that we got this jnana through the agency of Guru. If you categorically understand what Gurus have done, they have an initiation. They chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and that's it. Now, even those instructions are worth of billions of dollars. He instigated, he attached us to the devotional service. We may not understand. Somebody might say, yeah, I am reading Srimad Bhagavatam. My Guru didn't tell me. I am reading Bhagavad Gita. Nobody told me. I am doing on my own. Isn't it? Somebody might claim. There are so many. That, I have spent a lot of time to understand this. I don't need any guru. Yes. And Krishna says, Naham vaiderana tapasa, na danena na chejjaya, sakya evam drishtom vidhum drishtavana simametha. Bhaktya. And this bhaktya is plural. Bhaktya of the guru or the devotee of Krishna and Krishna himself. Both simultaneously. You cannot discount one. There is no way somebody can approach direct to Krishna. Even so many people might say, well, do I need a via media? Why I need a via media? My heart is pure. I don't have anything black in my heart. I don't need anybody's assistance. And Krishna says, Balam balavatam chaham, tejaha tejusnamaham. The people, they fail to recognize this. And in the end, they became a raven cloud. With the force of the material energy, they are flowing from one place to another place. And then whisper around or vapor around. So here, why Krishna is telling everything to Brahmaji? Because he is submissive. He went, he did a lot of endeavor, he did a lot of tapa, he did a lot of meditation. He had then got the self-realization. So-and-so, such a great soul that the Krishna is telling him directly. And earlier we have said, Lord Krishna shook his hand with him. Isn't it? The bodily connection. Prabhupada further says, as long as one's spiritual eyes are closed due to the dirty coverings of matter, one cannot see the Lord. But when the dirt is removed by the process of devotional service, one can see the Lord without the doubt. You know what we do? To do all these things, we have to do karma. And we are advised not to do any karma. Now, how it is possible? Forget about karma, vikarma. I am just saying. The karma, we are supposed to do karma. Nahi kaschit chanamapi jatu tishtat karma kirta. Not even in 1 second we can stay without doing a karma. And we are saying there is karma bandhana. How it is possible? You know what? Nowadays it's very, very difficult, but old days when we used to wash our clothes, we'll put a lot of detergent in it. And with the help of the detergent, we wash the cloth. And after that, we make sure that the detergent or the soap does not stick to the cloth. Wash it out, wash them out, wash them out, wash them out, wash them out. And then they become crystal clear. Laundry is done very nicely. So karma is required. But toward the end, we have to finish this karma. Yagnarthat karmano loko yam karma bandhana. Tadartham. Karma kaunte ya mukta sangha samachara. The karmanas are to be done as yagna. Without karma, no way we cannot live. But as an yagna. And the yagna is, you all know, yat karosi, yat dasnasi, etc., etc. Furthermore, without a doubt, Brahma's personal endeavor to see the root of the lotus pipe failed. But when the Lord was satisfied by his penance and devotion, he revealed himself from within with no external endeavor. Sometimes we may work very hard, day and night, and we don't get the desired result. Or sometimes without doing anything, you get which you have never expected. So this is the way of theory of karma, and as well as being a devotee. As soon as one becomes a devotee, theory of karma finishes off. यथे धाम से संसिद्धो अग्निर भस्मसात कुरुते अर्जुन ज्ञान अग्नि दग्ध कर्माणाम तमाहो पंडित नंबुतः. So we are doing karma, definitely we are doing karma, but we should make sure that this yagna, the karma is doing as an yagna. And then no vandana. And then one enjoys in this life, even life after death, or even many, many deaths. Isn't it the best proposition that we have? We are assured that either we may fail or pass. Definitely happen. But if suppose we don't do these activities, where's the question of fail and pass? We'll simply rot in the material world. What? Urdham gacchati satyastha madhye tishtanti rajasa jaganya gunavartistha adho gacchati tamasa. But this don't apply to the devotees. For devotees simply suchinam srimatam gehe yoga bhrashto vijayate. We have the best bargain in the bad time of Kali Yuga. The best available. Kalhu doshe nidhi rajan asti eko mahan gunan kirtanad eva krishnasya mukta sang param parjayet. So by the agency of Srila Prabhupada, all Vaishnavas around, we are trying to do the best we could do to read Bhagavatam, read Bhagavad Gita, help one another. So with this, I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.